I heard while I was gone away. You were playing games and you were cheating. Bet you thought I would know. It's a secret's out, and I'm leaving for good. I won't be back. You can bet on that. You was no good, and I was good to you. How could you be like that? How could you cheat on me? I gave my all to you.